message system.
Hey Jim, what up? I was just calling you back. I saw you called. I don't know. Maybe we can do something later.
Okay.
Hit me back.
Yeah. So here's a story of a kid who wakes up every morning like, damn, I swear I'm gonna get high before the sun is warming. Welcome to the future of music, cause this is two kids who lost themselves in a world where only you live. And two shits, that's exactly what I used to give. I lost my family and my life, that's what useless is. And every time I feel like I'm the new and better me, everything comes crashing down, that's just how it used to be. And what a useless me, so why'd I even bother? I told myself I'd do whatever not to be my father. You know I love you, Dad, but it's too much for me. I lost myself through all the hurt, hit me up and see, cause I'm the youngest son you ever had in many ways. I know we made it through a lot in all my darkest days. She said she needs some space and that she's feeling pressure. Well, I guess that's on me. Here's my bow and gesture.
I just wanna see the world from the top point now, from the top point now. I just wanna see it now. I want you to close your eyes. I wanna see your head so high, your head so high.
Turn me up a little bit. Yeah. You did me a favor. Perfect. Yeah. Okay, feel me real quick. So put your hands high. I know you feel my verses, cause I done came a long way from the words and curses. I lost the sight of what is close to me through all the real shit. And even if I had a girl, that don't mean I feel shit. Cause I remember the days when I was on my grind. My only focus was to keep it on the 9 to 5. And now this crowd forms behind me, growing over time. I came a long way, this dream is more than mine.
I just wanna see the world from the top point down, from the top point now. I just wanna see it now. I want you to close your eyes. I wanna see your hands so high, your hands so high. I just wanna